2nd of April 2024, and today I want to make a just small lecture on how to understand your water solid. That means the TDS of your water and the hardiness of your water, how soft your water is and how high your water is. So this is the TDS kit. This is the TDS kit, and this TDS kit is going to Ekpe today. So I just want to make it for those of you who are into hatchery. Like a lot of us, we are into cartridge hatchery, and we don't really understand our waters. And I do understand that most people really keen on knowing the parameters of their pH, which we have other factors that can affect your fryers. Maybe when your fryers are 3 days to 1 week, you start them started dying, and these are the parameters that is weakening them. And once your fryers is stressed, they begin to die. It's stress that normally kill fryers. So in order for you to control all those factors, you will need to take care of some factors. So I will just be talking about your TDS, the water conductivity, that means the electronics conductivity in your water, and the water hardiness, how soft your hardiness is or not. So for you to do all those parameters, to get all those parameters right, it is advisable for you to have the 4-in-1 kit for water TDS, water hardiness, and water conductivity. These are, you can work this within themselves, within the grid, because it is worked through the part parameters. Your TDS and hardiness is measured with the part parameters of the water. TDS simply means the solid in your water. You may see your water very clean, but you may not understand what are the solid in the water. Solid in the water will increase the ammonia of the fishes, and increasing the ammonia of the fishes, this will automatically stress your fishes, and by this process you may be having that bad result if you hatch. Sometimes it may not be your brood stock, sometimes it may not even be your pH. Sometimes people test their pH and pH ranges is around 6.5 and they are still having problems. So once the solid in your water is too high or too low, this will affect your fishes. So I'm just bringing out this brief lecture on this today for those of you who have heard. Listen. So you can get this from us too, and it's not that expensive based on the results you get from it. So this will be taken to the city of Ekpe today. We are taking it to Ekpe today. So after you get it, just close it up. After you might have used it, depending. The usage is like this. If you want to use it, is for you to get the you press the shift to take it to ppm. The ppm means part parameters of the water. So by the time you put it and hold it, it will tell you the part parameters of this water. In this water I'm having 97. That means it's still okay, still falls between the ranges of 50 to 150. So the water is still okay for hatchery. And true, but the water is acidic if I test the pH. So that means if I'm using any substance in order to correct these factors, I must know the substance I'm using to correct it. That means if my pH reads like 4, I will need a very high substance, acidic object in order to buffer it, like the soda ash, like the soda bicarbonate, to buffer it. But if the pH falls between maybe 6 and I'm having something like this, I have to use my calcium chloride to do it. All this you can get the lesson from us. So make sure that you do what? You contact me and you get more in-depth lecture on this. And this is going to Ekpe, I told you, today. So thank you and God bless you.